Let me show you how to remove your rear bumper of a BMW 1 Series F20 F21 LCI. The only tools you'll need for this are a 10mm socket and a 8mm socket on a ratchet. First of all, go ahead and terminal off your battery because we are going to be removing electric connectors on the rear bumper. Just to go over the rear bumper, you have 3 8mm bolts over here in the wheel liner. You have 1 8mm underneath for securing the bumper. Again, you have 3 8mm bolts just underneath the bumper across this side over here. You have 3 8mm bolts being along this side of the bumper, and again 3 8mm in the wheel liner over here, and then an 8mm to secure the bumper on this side over here. Once you've disconnected all of them, then you need to wiggle the bumper or pull it out and then wiggle it off, as it's held into tabs from this side over here. And I've already removed the rear tailgate light to show you. So our bumper is damaged, as you can see, but these are the tabs that are inserted into the light bracket holder, just in over here and in over here. Now you can either wiggle the bumper once you pull it out, or you can get yourself a plastic trim remover, insert it this way over here, lift the tabs down and pull on the bumper. Again, same thing over here. So as our bumper is damaged from this side over here, it's already released from the 8mm from the side and the bottom. We don't have any, unfortunately, but we do have a 8mm just over here. Insert it so okay, and that is your 8mm off. Should be able to pull the bumper off. There you go. Coming on the driver's side, you should have 3 8mm just underneath over here. So one should be this one over here, one should be over here, which we don't have, and the other one is just over there, which we do have. Go ahead and remove all 3. Once you've done that, just on the driver's side wheel liner, again 1, 2 8mm over here. Go ahead and remove that, and the third one should be at the bumper. Once you've done that, move the wheel liner backwards and you have the 8mm just over there. Once you removed all the 8mm, go ahead and pull in the bumper head gently so it comes off the tabs and the bumper support holder over there. And then obviously we've got the 2 tabs over here. As you see, it's already off. Just gently keep wiggling and they should come off the tabs. So there you go, it's off the tabs. Also, just remember that this plastic panel over here for the rear tailgate light, you've got the bumper in behind it. So you can either take this off, and along the side over here, you'll have more tabs. So once you gently start wiggling both sides, the bumper should come off, as mine has. Just gently pull it out, there you see on the floor, because then you've got your sensors connected, and you've got tabs on the side over here. Push the tab in and pull the sensor out. Okay, so on the sensors, you've got these tabs over here. Pull or push the tab in, pull it out. Then you have these 2 for the license plate. They're held in position like this. So towards the bumper, tab, push it in, pull it out. Again, same with this license plate holder or the license light loom. And you've got 2 more sensors. Once you've done that, go ahead and remove your bumper. So just to go over with it, you have 2 8mm. So you have 2 8mm on this side over here, there and there. 1 8mm underneath here, along the bumper over there. 3 8mm, 1, 2, 3 underneath the bumper. On the other side again, 3 8mm underneath the bumper. 2 8mm, 1 8mm. Pull it out, held by tabs, tabs, and tabs. Again, tabs are inserted over here along the side of the bottom of the bumper and this side over here. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 loom connectors for reverse sensor and your license number plate light over here. Go ahead and remove them. Once you remove them, you can pull the bumper out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.